Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can't no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away, yeah. You'll always be my heart and my life, every second, every day.
Y'all know what time it is. $9:20, Milwaukee.
9:30.
Huh?
9:30. Milwaukee. Oh, Lincoln Shore, Illinois. Sorry. 7 miles away. Lincoln Shore.
Lincolnshire.
Lincolnshire.
Milwaukee.
Yeah.
Avenue, North Milwaukee.
Avenue.
Okay, Milwaukee Ave. 9:30.
Yeah.
Your wind is being calculated.
We are on our way to the Cheesecake Factory. And a lot of people have told us about it before. They say how good it is. And I have mixed reviews. Other people say it's not good. Yeah, but this should be our first time going together. Actually, it'll be our first time, period, going. So we're going together, which is special. And if you see the thumbnail of this video already, you know what today is. It's our anniversary. You feel me? Anniversary. 20 years of us celebrating us. We just appreciate you guys tuning in and enjoying this special day with us.
Yeah, we appreciate all the love shown to us. We enjoying our day, y'all. It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. They said it was supposed to be raining today, but it's not rainy.
It haven't rained at all.
But it is a little chilly.
Yeah.
So, it's all good though.
Yep. Peace.
Peace.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. You guys look so nice.
Thank you.
They got us up here waiting. We had reservations, but the table wasn't ready when we got here, so we just standing up, just chilling. But it's all good though, cause we chilling together. 20 years.
20 of them.
Yeah. Alright, but they finna be calling us soon, so hey.
Follow me.
Chicken, crusty chicken, tomato, spicy cashew chicken. Oh, I ain't coming for no chicken. Skinny Licious, what's the Skinny Licious all about?
Paradise Punch sounds good.
Non-alcoholic? Yeah, that does sound good.
Citrus, pomegranate, and pineapple.
Yeah. Quesadilla. Warm crab dip. You want to share one of those?
What?
A warm crab dip?
Who said that? Oh, one crab. Yeah, we can do that. Oh, let me see. Thank you. Look, now I'm finna sit here and eat this bread and get full like on that, what I showed y'all on that meme of me sitting there eating all the bread and chips. Then when my food come, I can't breathe, y'all. Bless our food, baby. Sit here and eat this bread while waiting on the food to come. This the bread I be getting at home. I guess it's fresher here, huh? I'm chilly, so I still got on my jacket. It's chilly in here. Pineapple, lime, and cherry. That's what mine is.
I want to take some this.
The flour? You got it out of your mind. Don't play me up. Why would you eat that?
So, I asked my wife, can I eat this flour? Don't that look tasty? Like it got some flavor to it, don't it?
Let me look it up. It's probably just when the girl eating flowers getting healthy and
Don't it look like it's flavorful? Nice juicy flour.
Baby grapes, I think that's what that is, have white or pink flowers that have a mild, slightly sweet flavor, perfect for desserts, garnishes. It can be tossed in with other greens for a big salad. They will add a tangy kick to a bland salad. All variety of roses are edible. Edible flowers include citrus blossom, clovers, daisies, honeysuckle, lavender, lilac, pansies, roses, sunflowers, and violets. I'm not eating no flower though.
Take a piece of that with me. Don't that look good?
I mean, some flowers are poisonous, but I doubt they'll put a poisonous flower in your stuff. Ask them when they come back. I still won't trust them too much though.